Hey guys, welcome to my channel Smart Home, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best printer in 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best printer in 2025. You can buy today. All the products are linked in the description below. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Tune till the end. Let's get started. Tune. Number 1, Brother I Investment MFC J995DW. The Brother I Investment MFC J995DW, $179 on Amazon, is an all-in-one inkjet designed for small business/home office use. This model offers a variety of small office features and high-capacity ink cartridges that deliver a very low cost per page. The I Investment cartridges that come in the box could last as long as a year, according to the company, making it one of the best all-in-one printers we've seen for affordable ink. Given these high ink yields, you might wish this all-in-one had a paper tray with a higher capacity than its 150 sheets. Of similarly modest capacity, the MFC J995DW's 20-sheet document feeder and 50-sheet output tray are not well suited for big jobs. The specialty media tray on the back of the chassis can accommodate only one sheet at a time. Much more impressive is the duplexer, which enables two-sided printing and is quick. Number 2, HP SmartTank 760. The HP SmartTank 7602 is a wireless multifunction printer that we regularly recommend as the best printer for students, most of the time, because it's easy to set up and prints good quality prints quickly, with very low ink costs. I know because our printer expert exhaustively tested it himself in his own home, and the HP SmartTank 7602 surprised him by printing an 8x10-inch glossy photo at high resolution in under 2 minutes, which is more than twice as fast as the category average, for minutes 1 second. It also scans and prints quite quickly, and is speedy at kicking out color and black and white documents. However, printed scans often showed small discolorations and pixelations, so this isn't a great printer for photojournalism students or others who prize perfection in prints. However, our reviewer definitely had some hassles when trying to set up the printer via its included HP Smart software. You can connect the printer to a PC via either USB. Number 3, Canon PIXMA TR8620. The most impressive print speed was on glossy photos. The TR8620 printed a letter-sized photo on glossy paper in just 2 minutes and 4 seconds, roughly half the average time of 4 minutes and 3 seconds. Only a few models have been faster. All Canon printers, including our editor's choice, the Canon PIXMA TS9120, at 1 minute and 57 seconds. Using its automatic duplexer, the TR8620 made two-sided text prints at a respectable pace of 3.1 ppm. After printing the first side, the TR8620 paused for 14 seconds to let the ink dry before proceeding, taking a total of 3 minutes and 12 seconds to print the 10-page document on 5 sheets. By comparison, the HP Envy 7855 printed two-sided text documents at a brisker 3.7 ppm, while the Brother MFC J995DW did so even faster, at 4 ppm. Number 4, Canon PIXMA TR150. The Canon PIXMA TR150 is a portable inkjet printer that's small enough to carry in a backpack, but big enough to print everything from 4x6 photos to 8.5x11 documents. With a 2-cartridge system, its ink is affordable and lends itself well to a variety of printing uses. But where the Canon really stands out is photo printing. The PIXMA TR150 made high-quality photos faster than other competing portable printers, and delivered excellent color and detail. It can also handle larger photo prints, but unlike some of our photo printing favorites, there is no copy or scan capability. You do get a solidly built portable printer with optional battery and even support for Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice controls, but we love it for the great photos and low ink costs it offers. There are lots of other great printers out there that don't quite have what it takes to knock any of our best printers off their perch. But it's awful close, and when we tez. Number 5, Epson EcoTank Pro ET5850. The Epson EcoTank Pro ET5850, often $850 to $999, or less with an Epson coupon code, is an inkjet all-in-one that lives up to its pro moniker in many ways. It's a workgroup printer that's built like a workhorse, outfitted with high-capacity tanks, as the product name suggests, that holds enough ink to print thousands of pages. The tanks keep ink costs extremely low. In addition to the traditional multifunction jobs of printing, copying and scanning, this workgroup printer offers fax capability and can store 200 speed dial numbers. It offers a full complement of features, which we'll outline in detail, and blaze through our tests with impressive speed, all while delivering top-notch image quality. Built to handle up to 3,300 pages per month, our Epson EcoTank Pro ET5850 review left no doubt that it's one of the best all-in-one printers you can buy, built for the busy office that can't afford to have its multifunction printer.